In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw funds from Uphold. First, open your web browser or the Uphold mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you've completed the identity verification process and that you have a verified bank account linked to your Uphold account if you plan to withdraw funds to your bank. Next, if your balance is still in cryptocurrency, you'll first need to convert it into your preferred fiat currency. Open the Transact screen, choose your cryptocurrency in the From field, select your local currency in the To field, review the details, and confirm the transaction. Now, return to the Transact screen. In the From field, select your available cash balance. In the To field, choose your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the estimated fees and processing time. After that, click Preview Transaction to review all of the withdrawal details. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to submit your withdrawal request. Uphold will begin processing the transfer to your bank account. Finally, check your transaction history to monitor the status of your withdrawal. Depending on your bank and your region, it may take some time for the funds to appear in your account. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive your money in your linked bank account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from Uphold. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.